This is how you clear your recently visited communities on Reddit. So first up, you will be able to see a tree line on top left corner and an icon on top right corner when you open your Reddit. When you click the tree line on top left corner, you're supposed to see your recently visited communities on Reddit. As you can see right now, I have these 3 communities that I've been visited recently. Now, when you click the icon on top right corner, you're supposed to see your history on Reddit app. As you can see, I click the 3 dot on top right corner and clear all of my history. So now, all of my recent history are now gone, even the upvoted, downvoted, and even the hidden history. Back on the topic on clearing your recently visited communities, click the 3 line on top left corner, so you will be able to see all of your recently visited communities. Click see all, and you will be able to see all of your recently visited communities. Click clear all to delete all of your recently visited communities. So as you can see, all of your visited communities on Reddit are now gone. Now, I check my history again and there's nothing there, and I keep refreshing it multiple times. In this part, I check again my recently visited communities for you to see that it works perfectly fine. And basically, that's how you clear your recently visited communities on Reddit.